everyone, in this short how-to video I'm going to talk about how to use our metallic glides to highlight details like a handle and these feet here. So what is a glide? It's a little metallic finishing wax, so it looks like this. It comes in 4 different colours. We have gold, silver, champagne gold and a bronze, kind of coppery bronze colour. It's also known as a gilding wax. So it's a finishing product. You do it after it has been waxed or lacquered. So as you can see, this piece, which is done in colour cut, has had clear wax on it already. And then this is always the last step. So there's 2 ways to apply it, with your finger, so one of your fingers, or with a small little artist brush. So I will show you both ways when I'm doing this, probably my finger doing it on the handle and then the brush on the feet. As you can see, it is a really simple product to use and is extremely effective. The feet now look like gilded silver, and the handle just has a little bit more detail to it, brings it all out. So 2 little things, when you're washing, just wash your brush out in warm water and a gentle soap, same with your hands, and it will come out nicely out of your brush. And if you do make a mistake anywhere or accidentally, put a fingerprint of it somewhere you don't want it, get a clean rag, put some clear wax on your finger like so, and just buff it out. It will come out as it is a wax product, it'll just come straight out. So I hope you have fun with this. As I said, there's 4 different colors. You can blend them together, you can mix them up, and yeah, just have a lot of fun, and it does last you a long time. If you have any questions, please get in touch, as we would love to help you.